What's going on, guys? Crypto Richie hanging out with you today. And we're going to be talking about Moonrunners. Pump or dump? What do you think? I actually got into this thing this morning, discovered it from the Moonbirds Discord group they were talking about. I was like, let me check it out. And the floor was about 0.05 when I started doing some research. And now the floor is pretty much at 0.19. I think by tomorrow morning we're going to be at a quarter ETH or maybe 0.3 floor. They are pumping. I got 3 of them, and my daughter was like, "Oh man, you should have told me sooner." So I actually just transferred one over to her, and I gave her a good deal on one, and she's already in profit. But let's take a look at the collection here. So Moonrunners. You know, they have, it's a 10,000 PFP collection. And if we go on Twitter here, okay, we go on Twitter. Basically, it says there's no cost to join the Wolf Pack, but protect the Moonrunners at all costs. Okay, and then there's some like little hints here about the moon cycle. Like, what's up with the moon cycle? And it says be prepared and wait for the moon or something like that. And you know, you got guys over here saying what's going to happen on July 13th when it's a full moon. We actually got a, what is this, a new moon on the 28th of June. So I don't know, you know, we might be getting some airdrops. I don't know, they might be releasing stuff like Goblin Town did. This could be something. They're saying that this guy looks like Kevin Rose, one of the founders of Moonbirds. You know, the art does look like Moonbirds if we take a look at them. You know, some of the traits, the diamond necklace, not the chef's hat, the cowboy hat. You know, some of the traits really does look like Moonbirds. The diamond over the head, you know. So what do you think? Did you get one? Let me know. Comment down below if you got one, what you think about it. If you have any alpha, let us know. I think there is a potential in our Discord group. People are thinking they're going to hit a half ETH to 1 ETH. Who knows? I don't know. Again, you know, all of this is speculation. It's currently number 3 on OpenSea. If we check out the homepage, they are literally trending in all categories. Moonrunners right here. I don't know. We look at Trade Sniper, you know, some are being listed at 18, 19. Some of them are also being sold at like 0.25, 0.3. I've seen some pretty big sales over the past few hours here on Trade Sniper. But I don't know. Let me know what you're doing, pump or dump. I think it has the potential. There's a lot of names in back of it. Here are the 2 that I got right here. These 2, I got a Scully, and the Scullys are really not ranked that high. Instant reveal, no roadmap. 500 are reserved for the team. Story driven. It's time to assemble your wolf pack. That sounds pretty cool, you know. Peace and Imprimatur, humankind, nursery forever, facts. It was a free mint plus gas. If we go to the Etherscan, you can see all the transactions going through. And if we go back to Twitter, let me go back here. And there was something. The full moon is coming. Be prepared. That's what I wanted to show you. So the full moon is, you know, coming. So what's going to happen? So I think there's going to be a lot of buildup, a lot of pump, you know, until then. So it might be good to jump in now, secure a couple, and then, you know, flip right before the moon or right, you know, I don't, you know, usually just like with the airdrops, they say it's good to basically flip them before reveal, because a lot of times when a collection reveals, then the prices kind of drop down because people kind of want to sell to get what they want, you know. So I don't know. I got 3, gave my daughter 1. Well, she bought it from me. Gave her a good deal on one, and she's going to ride the wave with me. She's 13. She's getting into NFTs. She's flipped a bunch of Soul punks on the Solana network. She's doing really good on Soul. Maybe she'll start making some videos. I don't know, but she's really more into the Sol game than on ETH. But she wants to get on, OpenSea and play with Ethereum and stuff like that. So, anyway, Crypto Richie here hanging out. Comment below, like the video, share it. Let me know what you think. And if you are looking to get into crypto and NFTs, don't forget to click the link at the top right here or down below in the description. Check out my site, cryptowaters.com, where I started getting into this over a year ago, flipping CryptoPunks, the OG CryptoPunks, and made a lot of Ethereum flipping CryptoPunks. And I got some Moonbirds. I had Mutant Apes. I didn't get into the Bored Ape. I was looking into Bored Apes. Almost got a couple when they were just released. But I'm kind of sorry I didn't. It happened, whatever. You can't jump on all the gravy trains. You're going to miss some of them. But some of them are hit and miss. Some of them you're going to lose. You're going to be holding bags. Some of them will make up for it plus more. So if you're interested in learning how to stack up your Ethereum or make money with crypto, DeFi projects, and other altcoins, check out cryptowaters.com. Actually, let me actually go to it right now. Show it to you right here, cryptowaters.com. You can check out my site, and you can start learning how to make money like the new rich. Just put your name in the email. It's a free newsletter. You can see some of my Moonbirds, one of my latest CryptoPunks that I sold. I'm thinking of getting another one when prices go down. Anyway, Crypto Richie here. Like the video, share, subscribe. Talk to you soon, and comment down below and let me know what you're doing with these Moonrunners. If you're getting one, if you have a couple, what you're doing, let me know. Peace out. Thanks for watching.